Now we are starting our next unit from American Academy of Optics, Optics of the Human Eye. This is a very important unit. In the actual exam, you will get many questions from this. Glossary definitions are all important, but I will tell only the most important one: angle alpha, past MCQ, angle kappa. Very important. It has come 2 or 3 times, and the lambda is also important. All these definitions are important. Okay. Optical axis important. Optotype important, and the visual axis. All the axes are very important. Optic axis, visual axis, all these types are very important. Okay. Nothing is important here. And what is the depth? This is important. Just remember the answer. Okay. Just give a read. Not important. Here is some important information written. For example, if the distance between the nodal point and the retina is this, the distance between the eye chart and the is this, and the height of the this, then the resulting result. Just rectify this example. It can come similarly like this. Important axes of the eye I have already mentioned that all the axes, visual axis, optic axis are very important, but the most important thing and the pupillary axis is also important. The most important thing here is the angle kappa. Angle kappa is very important. And this is written here below the line is very important. The angle kappa is considered positive when the fovea is located temporally. These are the past MCQs I am telling. Condition that cause the temporal dragging of the retina, such as the retinopathy, can lead to a large positive angle kappa. Okay, clinically this will present as pseudoexotropia. A large positive angle kappa may also mask a small angle esotropia. Okay, so angle kappa will be large positive in case of ROP. Please read these lines very carefully. 2 to 3 times repeated in MCQs. Not very much important, just study it will be enough. These lines are important. These examples are important. Why do persons with uncorrected myopia squint? Does the pupil size affect the measurement? Why are the patient less likely to need right? All these are important. Okay. Visual acuity definitions. These definitions are more than important. Each and every definition. Please read again and again. These are very volatile, and every line is an MCQ. Every line is an MCQ. Every line here in this paragraph is an MCQ. Very important. Okay. They will confuse you in the exam. 20 feet like this. 5 arc minute, 10 arc minute like this. Here 10 arc minute, here is the 5 arc minute. They will give you the scenarios in the exam like this. Confusing. Okay. But from these lines, they will just change the values 5 arc minute, 10 arc minute, 20 feet, 10 feet. Even there is a 10 feet option in the clinical MCQs of this unit at the end of the exercise. You will see that. Please read this. Just a reading will be enough for this. Okay. And what is the distance? And this is very important. This paragraph again is very important. Okay. What are Salon letters? Salon letters. This is the past MCQ. Remember all these letters, please. They will give the letters in the options. You have to remember these letters. These are the Salon letters. ETDRS chart. Please read in detail what is Leah symbols, what is preferred for the children. Each and every line here is very important. Okay. Distance of the ETDRS is different from the Snellen's chart. This is mostly 4 meter. Mostly 4 meter. Past MCQ. Very important. Although you can use it at 5 6 meter, but the most used distance is the 4 meter. Please read it. Contrast sensitivity, again very important, very important. Okay, what is contrast sensitivity? Contrast threshold, contrast threshold, contrast sensitivity function test. This was asked last time. Generally, the contrast sensitivity is measured at normal room illumination, which is approximately value. This value was asked. Very important. Okay, MCQ. Again an MCQ. Please read it. This whole topic is very important. Just give a read. Not very much important. Very important topic. Refractive states of the eye. Very important. Okay, please read each and everything. Axial myopia, hypermetropia, focal point, far point concept. These has come in the exam. Many MCQs come. Simple hyperopic astigmatism. All these very important. Okay. These diagrams have come in the exam. Okay. They will give you one of this diagram like this, and they will ask what is this. Take a simple hyperopic, a simple myopic, compound myopic. It will be all. Very important. Okay. Binocular states of the eyes. Very important topic. Every line is important. Anisometropia, anisoconia, anisophoria. This MCQ of anisoconia has come 2 or 3 times.